Hi everyone. Today we will be discuss class 9 examination 2024 from Jackboard paper to mathematics. This paper contains 40 marks MCQ questions. Time taken is 1 hour 30 minutes. Some basic instructions. First we now discuss question number 1 from class 9 Jackboard 2024 examination. First question is, which of the following is a natural number? Which of the following is a rational number? Which of the following is a rational number? That means first question from chapter 1 number system, rational number. First option is 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5 is 2 minus root 5 is a irrational number, and 2 by root 7 by 7 by 7 into root 7. Root 7 is cancel out. We get 2 by 7. This is rational number. This is rational number. Your option is B is correct. नेक्स्ट ये ऑप्शन है 1 बाय रूट 3, तो ये भी क्या आपके पास इरेशनल नंबर, एंड डी इज ऑल्सो इरेशनल नंबर. तो सब यहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट आपके पास आ जाएगी कि इरेशनल प्लस माइनस रेशनल प्लस इरेशनल प्लस माइनस इरेशनल. फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर प्लस माइनस irrational number, that answer will be irrational always. Otherwise multiplication rational into irrational number, this is also irrational number. 1 by irrational is always irrational. This is basic concept. First option 2 minus root 5, rational minus irrational is also irrational. 1 by irrational number is also irrational. 2 into irrational, pi is also irrational number. Pi is an irrational number. Next questions. Question number 2. What is 0? What is 0? What is 0? First option rational number, irrational number, whole number, natural number. So 0 is a correct answer. Option number A. Rational number. 0 is a rational number. It can be write 0 by 5, 0 by 6. This is equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number. Natural number is a part of natural number is part of rational number. पार्ट ऑफ रेशनल नंबर, इसलिए ऑप्शन डी आपका आंसर नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट आंसर. इरेशनल नंबर, तो 0 इज नॉट इरेशनल नंबर. होल नंबर 0 होल नंबर, 0 also belong whole number. 0, that means 0 1 2 3. The 0 is also parts of rational number. So the answer is correct answer is option number A. Question number 3. 0.3 non-terminating sign, that means 0.33 repeating. 0.3 bar, this is equal to 3 by 0.3 bar, that means one term is repeating. It can be write 3 by 9. Cancel out 1 by 3 is a correct answer. Option first is a correct answer. Question number 4. Rationalize 1 by root 2, that means 1 by root 2 rationalize. Same term of denominator, this is equal to 1 into root 2 root 2 into root 2 whole square, that will be root 2 by 2 is a correct answer. Option number B is a correct answer. Next, 36 to power 1 by 2, it can be also write 6 to a square to whole power 1 by 2, that means 2 cancel out, answer will be 6, which is equal to 2 plus root 2, 2 minus root 2. First, this chapter follows the polynomial a plus b into a minus b. This is equal to a square minus b square. Same in questions. A plus root 2, 2 minus 2 plus root 2, 2 minus root 2, that will be 2 square minus root 2 square. 4 minus 2, your answer will be 2, option number first. Question number 7. Which of the following is a not polynomial? Polynomial, that means degree is always positive integer number. Positive integer number. First time degree is 2, this is polynomial. Also this such variable y has degree 2, this is also polynomial. X to power 10, y to power 3, t to power 50, this is also polynomial. Y to power y plus 2 by y, this can be also write y plus 2 to power y power minus 1. Minus 1 is not contain polynomial. Degree is always positive integer number. So your option D is wrong. That means correct option D. Question number 8. Which of the following is a triple polynomial? Triple polynomial, that means degree will be 3. Degree 3. Quadratic polynomial degree 2. Degree 1 is linear equation. Linear, quadratic, cubic, degree 4 by quadratic. That means triple polynomial, that means degree will be 3. Option number D. First option is quadratic, second is also quadratic, C is linear. C is a linear equations. Coefficient of x square in the polynomial. Coefficient of x square equation is 2 plus x square plus x. That means coefficient of x square 1. Coefficient of x square is 1, nothing something. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा आपका 1. Option number A. Option number B. 0 of the polynomial. This is very easy questions. 0 of the polynomial. That means we can write px equal to 0. Px equal to 0. That means 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 by 2. That means your correct option is B. Next question number 11. Dividing 3x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1, remainder obtained. So by remainder theorem. By remainder theorem, on dividing 3x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1, remainder obtained. That means first we have x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to 1. X equal to 1. We write p of x equal to 3x square plus x plus 1. First write p of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 1 in plus also plus 1. That means 3 plus 1 plus 1. Your answer will be 5. That means 5 is a remainder. The first step, dividing term to equate 0 and calculate value of x, and second step, substitute value of x in given polynomial. Question number 13. Solution of the given equations. Given equation is this equation has chapter 4 linear equation in 2 variable. X minus y equal to 2. That means solution has option. Solution कहाँ पे दिया हुआ का ऑप्शन में. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, फर्स्ट टाइम in order pair always write in general form x comma y. That means first value is from x and second value is from y. So first x equal to 2, 2 minus 1 equal to 2. No, this is wrong. 2 minus 1 1 is not equal to 2. First option is wrong. Second option, in place of x write 4, in place of y 2. This equal to 2. 4 minus 2 2 equal to 2. That means your option B is a correct. B is a correct. Option C, 3 minus 2 not equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is not equal to 2. 1 minus 0 is not equal to 2. That means option 100% correct option is B. Solution of the linear equation in two variable. Solution of the linear equation in two variable. That means any equation has solution of linear equation in two variable ax plus ax square plus bx. Solution of linear equation in two variable. Solution of linear equation in two variable. The first what linear equation in two variable is x plus y equal to anything c. The first we put x equal to something, then we value of y. That means it has infinite many solution. In 15 number, in which quadrant point -3, -5 located? The first write x-axis, y-axis. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. First quadrant having sign is plus comma plus. Second quadrant minus plus. Third quadrant minus comma minus. Fourth quadrant x is plus sign, plus comma minus. This is fourth quadrant sign. Your question is -3, -5. That means it has minus comma minus. That means quadrant third. Third quadrant is the correct answer. Point C, coordinate of point C. Where is C? This is C. Coordinate of point C. That means first we write x comma y form. Value of x -5 and value of y 2. -5, 2 is a correct answer. -5, 2. Which option? Option first is a correct. Of 16, option first is a correct. Next 17. Supplement angle of 105. Supplement angle, that means sum of two angle x plus y equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. First angle 105 degree. Next angle, which option is suitable for 105 plus to get 180? The option number D. 105 plus 75 equal to 180. Answer. Sum of two angle is 90 degree. Sum of two angle is 90 degree. This angle is called sum of two x plus y equal to 90 degree, and second term is x plus y equal to 180 degree. 90 degree is called supplementary angle, and 180 degree is called x plus y 90 is called complementary angle, and x plus y equal to 180 is called supplementary angle. In Hindi सेंस में समपूरक कोण 180 डिग्री और पूरक कोण 90 डिग्री. दैट मीन्स दो एंगल को जोड़ के अगर निकाल रहे हैं x प्लस एंगल y इक्वल टू 180, दैट मीन्स क्या हो गया पास सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. x प्लस y इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री इज कॉल्ड कंप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. Question number 19. In figure AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. Then the value of x will be. In a straight line, form a linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. That means x plus 82 degree equal to 180 degree. That means x equal to 180 minus 82. Your option will be 98 degree. That means option first is a correct. 20. Value of x, sum of two interior equal to exterior angle. That means 20 plus 80. Answer will be 120 degree. Sum of two interior angle equal to sum of two interior angle equal to an exterior angle. Option 120 is correct. Number. Sum of three angle of a triangle. This is very easy questions. Sum of three angle of a triangle 180 degree. in polynomial, in segment of polynomial, sum of angle of any polynomial is equal to n into n minus 2 into n into n minus 3 n minus 2 into 180 degree. In if n equal to 3, that means triangle 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. In n equal to 4, that means quadrilateral, that means 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, that means 360. Sum of angle of any quadrilateral is 360. Next, question number 23. Angle A equal to angle P into triangle A B C, and next triangle name is PQR. Angle A equal to angle P. First A corresponding angle is P is also equal, and angle B equal to angle Q, and next AB equal to PQ. Side AB equal to PQ. That means congruence criteria is angle side angle. Which option is a correct answer? First, angle ABC corresponding position P, B corresponding Q, C corresponding R. ABC PQR is a correct answer. Next, C corresponding to R. First is not R, this is wrong. C that means corresponding position is R, this is not starting with R, wrong. Option D, BCA, B corresponding position is Q but not a start in Q, this is also wrong. So correct answer is first. In 24 number, the value of three angle of a quadrilateral are 110 degree, 82 degree and 68 degree. What will be the measurement of the fourth angle? In any quadrilateral, sum of all angle equal to 360 degree. That means first angle is 110 plus 82 plus 68 plus x equal to 180 degree. X is unknown angle. 180, 192, 8 at 2 0, 6 8 6 14 15 16 2 260 plus x equal to 360. That means the value of x will be 100 degree. Option first is a correct. number. In parallelogram ABCD, and Samantar Chaturabhuj, parallelogram ABCD, angle D equal to 135 degree, angle B will be angle B. Then parallelogram, sum of two diagonal angle equal to 180 degree, that means angle A, B, C, D. Angle B plus angle D, equal to 180 degree. This is property of sum of diagonal angle of a parallelogram. Angle D is 135 degree, then remaining angle B, will be 35, 50, 55. 135 plus 55 equal to 180, that means 55 degree is correct answer. 26. Diagonal of rhombus. First door rhombus figure, all sides are equal, but each angle is not 90 degree. Diagonals, first one you can draw diagonal. See diagonals are equal? No, this is maximum, this is smallest. Diagonal are parallel? No. Perpendicular? Yes. Diagonal are intersect in perpendicular. In property of parallelogram and also a square, all sides in any figure, all sides are equal, that means diagonal intersect in 90 degree. In any figure, all sides are equal, diagonal bisect at 90 degree. Option C is a correct. Question number 27. Parallelogram lying on the same base. Between same parallel line. then area if parallelogram lying same base, this is parallelogram, and another parallelogram contain another parallelogram, this is another parallelogram, in same base, base same, in same base, then area is also equal. This is theorem property of parallelogram. In parallelogram lying on the same base between same parallel line, then area will be equal. Next one, diagonals of rhombus are 5 centimeter and 14 centimeter. What can be area? So area of rhombus, area of rhombus equal to 1 by 2 diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, that means 1 by 2 into 5 into 14, 2 7 ja 14, 7 5 ja 35 centimeter square is a correct answer. The option A is a correct answer. Next solution of 29. In a cyclic quadrilateral, angle A plus C in same concept. In cyclic quadrilateral, any quadrilateral draw inside the circle. Inside the circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Any circle we can withdraw inside the circle is called cyclic quadrilateral, and property is sum of diagonal angle, sum of opposite angle, maybe also called diagonal. See diagonal. Sum of diagonal angle is 180 degree. That means angle A, B, C, D. We can be write angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree, and also angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. The correct answer is 180 degree. Option C is a correct answer. Next question number 30. Largest chord of a circle. Largest chord of a circle is largest chord. That means in a circle have infinite many chord, but one chord is the largest, and largest chord is also called diameter of a circle. That means chord passing from center. A chord passing from center is called diameter. A chord passing from center is called diameter. Which of the following angle cannot be constructed with the help of the ruler and compass? रूलर और कंपास के थ्रू कौन सा एंगल हम लोग बना नहीं सकते हैं? तो कभी भी कितना बनता है रूलर और कंपास के थ्रू? फर्स्ट वी कैन विड्रॉ 90 डिग्री, फर्स्ट विड्रॉ 90 डिग्री, first we can draw 90 degree, 90 degree, and half of 90 45 degree, 45 degree, and also 45 half 22.5, 22.5, right? And this is addition of both two, we get 67.5. That means we can't be construct 40 degree in any way. Your answer is 40 is correct. 32. Formula of Heron's. Heron's formula is S under root S, S minus A, S minus second side, S minus third side. And one question from Heron's formula: side of the triangle is 122 meter, 120 meter, and 22 meter. Then perimeter of the triangle, perimeter, that means sum of the length of the side A, B, C. 122 120 plus 22, 100 200 200 20 20 20 60 64. 264 is a correct answer. 264 is a correct answer. Next 34 number, perimeter of equilateral triangle is 60 centimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 60 centimeter. Length of each side. Perimeter, that means sum of three sides, and equilateral, all sides are equal. In a triangle all sides are equal. All sides are equal. That means first suppose x side is x, x plus x plus x equal to 60. That means 3x equal to 60. 3 से कितना कट जाएगी 20 टाइम्स x equal to 20 centimeter is a correct answer. Option number D. This is very easy questions. Question number 35. Total surface area of cube is 96 centimeter square. Then volume of the cube. So first we can draw cube. First we can draw cube. This is cube. Each side is a centimeter. Then CSA of cube is 4a square. TSA of cube is 6a square, and diagonal is root 3 into a, and volume is a cube. This is for formula of cube: TCSA, TSA, diagonal, and volume. Your question is total surface area. TSA is 6a square. 6a square is given 96. That means 6 1 is 6, 3 36, 16. A square equal to 16. That means 16 is also can write 4 square. That means A equal to 4. A equal to 4. Volume is a cube. That means 4 to power cube. 4 to power cube is 4 to power cube. That means 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 64 is a correct answer. Where is 64 centimeter cube. Next 36 number. यदि एक बेलन की त्रिज्या r, ऊंचाई h, तो उसका वक्र पृष्ठ क्षेत्रफल ज्ञात क्या होगा. इन रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर इज r, height is h, what is the its curved surface area in cylinder. First we can draw in figure of cylinder. This is radius, this is height. First CSA, we can write CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. Next third is volume equal to pi r square h. This three formula of cylinder: CSA, TSA, and volume. Your question is curved surface area CSA. CSA is 2 pi r h is the correct answer. If question is TSA, we can write 2 pi r into r plus h, and volume pi r square h. Next question will be 37 number. यदि किसी शंकु की ऊंचाई h, त्रिज्या r, तिर्यक ऊंचाई l, तो शंकु का आयतन. ठीक है. If height of cone is h, radius r, and slant height is l, then volume of cone. First we can draw cone. This is cone. Indicate. This is h, slant height. This is radius. Volume. First we can also write three term: CSA of cone, TSA of cone, and volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. TSA is pi r l. TSA total surface area is pi r into l plus r. These three formula of CSA, TSA, and volume of cone. Your option is option C is the correct answer. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next third last question. Hemisphere. If the radius of hemisphere is r, and what is the curved surface area of radius of hemisphere? First we can draw hemisphere. we draw hemisphere. Hemisphere. This is hemisphere. This is radius r. Radius r. Hemisphere radius r what? With the curved surface area CSA. First we can write this three formula. CSA. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. TSA is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Unit is SI unit of CSA and TSA, that means area centimeter square and any types of kind centimeter cube. Radius r CSA of hemisphere, option will be CSA first. Option is correct. In 39 number, upper limit of class interval. Upper limit is upper value, lower limit is lower value. This is upper limit. Upper limit and 10 is a lower limit. Lower limit. Your answer is A. In same type question, anytime ask questions, class size. Your answer will be upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 25, lower limit is 10. Your answer will be 15. 15 is a class size. And next one types question is class mark. Class mark equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That means 10 plus 25 divided by 2. Your answer will be 35 by 2. Question is 17.5. That means same type of questions having different type of question create. Class interval, class size and class mark, etc. Next and last question, probability. A coin is tossed once, probability of getting a head. A coin is tossed once, probability of getting head. Coin is tossed once. How many times toss? One times. One times we get head and tail. Head and tail. That means total trial will be 2 and number of getting trial head is 1. That means the answer will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is 40 question of class 9 JEC board 2024. Next coming video has 2025 question solution and 2023 solutions. Also provided 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th, 11th and 12th all PYQ questions in same channel. So thank you.